Hi there! RAK Wireless is an industry-leading connectivity provider that builds infrastructures and modular edge devices for IoT, smart city, and smart agriculture markets, with in-house developed solutions utilizing low-power, wide-area technologies. We help organizations and individuals eliminate barriers to connectivity with high-performance and energy-efficient solutions using RAK Wireless's innovation, like modular components and unified software interface, or RUI. We are committed to an IoT made easy philosophy, providing customers with cost-efficient and easy-to-use solutions that are developer-tested and enterprise-ready. Today we will be discussing RAK7240. So what is RAK7240? You may already be familiar with our commercial gateways, such as RAK7249 and RAK7258. Now, if you and your company wants to go big with a project, but you're on a tight budget and time is of the essence, then RAK7240 is the ideal solution for you. It is specifically designed for large-scale deployments. You must be thinking, it's cheap, so it must be substandard. Well, you're wrong. Aside from it being compact, the case is all metal with an IP65 grade. It comes with a built-in anti-surge circuitry which protects the device from sudden discharge in PoE and Ethernet lines. Since it is meant for large-scale deployments, it is also quick to deploy. The interface slots are pretty easy to set up without disassembling the gateway. The SIM and TF card slots are very accessible. It also comes with an LED indicator that most of you love. And best of all, it is easy to do a LoRaWAN connectivity integration to a third-party network, or you can use the built-in server. Did I mention that we can add your own custom logo to help you increase your brand recall? Yes, you heard that right. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear it from one of the pioneer users of RAK7240. Our friend and co-founder of Mockingbird Consulting UK, Matt Wallace.
Hello, I'm Matt Wallace and I'm the co-founder of Mockingbird Consulting. We're based in Wales in the UK and we specialise in sourcing the most effective and cost-efficient sensors, gateways and analytics platforms to meet our customers' needs. Our primary focus until recently has been agriculture and rural estates management. However, in the past few months we've started to look at retail, commerce, cold chain logistics and industrial sites, so we can bring our end-to-end solutions to many more people. Unlike a lot of companies within the IoT space, we don't make any of our own equipment. Instead, we rely on the expertise and domain knowledge of others to provide us with the tools our customers need to solve the challenges they face. And we manage the entire platform, from sensors right the way through to data analysis and visualization, so our customers can focus on their business whilst we focus on the technology. We've been deploying LoRaWAN gateways to both the Things network and our own LoRaWAN stack for nearly 3.5 years now. And in that time, we've gone through a number of different gateway manufacturers, from the original Dragino and Raspberry Pi single-channel gateway, through the IMST IC880A, the Laird Centrus, and even the Multitech Conduit. However, about 10 months ago, we were told about a new gateway from RAK that was only available through select channels at the time, the RAK7240. This gateway appeared to have everything we needed: LTE for mobile connectivity, Wi-Fi, Ethernet connectivity, 8 channels of LoRaWAN with an option to upgrade to 16, power over Ethernet, and much more in the way of functionality. And yet it was half the price of the other outdoor gateways we'd tried. We ordered one from a supplier, and when it arrived last September, we were delighted with the result. The device itself is not a thing of beauty, if we're honest. It's a beige IP65 rated box with a couple of lugs either side of it to attach to walls, or you can use the provided pole mounting kit. There's 3 antennae, including a rather radar-looking GPS one, and some plastic plugs inserted into the spare and connector sockets on the unit. One of the first things we did was replace the plastic plugs for the spare end connector ports with IP67 rated metal ones. Then we plugged in the Ethernet cable to provide the power over Ethernet, and we connected it to a power over Ethernet switch. Unlike other models on the market, the gateway automatically gets an IP address via DHCP, and the boot time is about 60 seconds. This is 5 times faster than the nearest competitor in our tests, and it also removes the need to connect to the gateway via a direct cable, configure it, reboot the gateway so it connects to a different network, then connect the laptop that you used to configure the gateway to the same network, and then finally log into the web interface. Because it works like this, it's taken nearly 10 minutes off our initial installation setup time, and it means that we can automate the installations from now on. The 7240 comes with its own LoRaWAN server built into it. However, this isn't something we've needed yet, so I can't really comment on how well that part of the gateway works. However, configuring the 7240 to talk to both the Things network via the standard packet forwarder or our own LoRaWAN stack via MQTT over an encrypted TLS connection was an absolute breeze, as there are solid presets for both setups, as well as for some other providers. One of the services we offer to our customers is a fully managed LoRaWAN gateway service. And for this, we need to know that the gateways are stable, reliable, and that we can connect to them should something go wrong. We found that the 7240 provides all of this and more. The unit itself has been running for months without any issues, forwarding all of the packets of our data correctly to the servers and allowing for downlinks and uplinks without even the slightest hint of trouble. There's full support for multiple types of virtual private network as well, enabling us to connect all of our gateways back to a central support solution for monitoring and troubleshooting, and the failover from Ethernet to Wi-Fi to mobile in the event of an outage of any of those services is absolutely seamless. The VPN reconnects itself should the connection be lost. The user interface is one of the slickest we've seen on a LoRaWAN gateway, with a nice clear dashboard when you first log in showing you the number of devices that have connected and sent data through the gateway, traffic patterns, connectivity status, and much more. It's incredibly easy to navigate, it's incredibly easy to use, and the majority of configuration settings are simply a drop-down menu and a mouse click away. If you want to be more advanced with the configuration, and we're moving towards that now, then the unit also supports SSH, so you can configure your automation platform to connect to the boxes and configure them. If there's anything additional in the gateway that you do need, and we're yet to find something that fits that gap, but if there is anything additional you need, we found that the team at RAK are incredibly helpful, very, very quick to respond to emails, and as a result we've built up a really good working relationship with them. In summary, the RAK7240 is the best gateway that we've used yet. We love it so much that it's now the only gateway we deploy, unless our customers ask us specifically for another manufacturer or another model, and we're building our entire service around it. If you'd like to read our reviews and comparisons of the RAK7240 and other gateways, including the Multitech and the Laird, you can visit our blog on mockingbirdconsulting.co.uk, and not only will you see the various criteria that we use to compare the gateways, but you'll be able to read the reviews as well, and there'll be more coming in the next few months. Finally, we're setting up a developer program once the coronavirus restrictions are lifted. We'll have 160 acres of mixed organic farmland here in Wales for you to test your sensors on, including livestock, crops, vehicles, freezers, and a shop to enable us to test the entire cold chain supply and logistics flow. And at the heart of that developer program is going to be the RAK7240. We know from the work that we've done so far that it's the only gateway we can trust to do the job. Have a fantastic rest of the conference. Stay safe, stay indoors, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via our website. Thank you very much.